This is my old friend, the angle grinder, and here we go. Okay, there's not really much happening. Not entirely surprising. It has a Wolfram carbide reinforcement, especially against angle grinders. But I'm not giving up. Okay, new disc, new luck. Do we still have one? The disc is done and I have the feeling that the battery is too. Disc. Oh, I have cut into the bike a bit. Battery? A new one? Ah! I've made it! People, you're not serious now, are you? I don't have to go through the second side now, do I? No, I'm done. ABUS GRANIT Super Extreme 2500 for extreme situations.